Hi, my name is Carrie Johnson, Marketing Director at Belton Regional Medical Center. Thank you for joining this edition of House Calls. Joining me today is Malik Green, Certified Athletic Trainer at Harrisonville School District, to talk about spring sports. Thank you so much for being here, Malik.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks for having me.
Let's talk about what is your favorite part about athletic training?
My favorite part about athletic training would definitely be just the opportunity to be able to help others. Being able to just be there if it's injury specific, or I've found that sometimes a lot of like the students need just a time to kind of vent sometimes about, what's going on in their lives. Like trying to deal with homework, practice, games, and just trying to, be the best at each, aspect of that. So
Perfect. What do you look forward most to spring sports?
just being outside, getting that good old vitamin sun.
Yeah.
I found that it definitely helps the mood of not, only the athletes, but also the staff, including myself. I believe that just being outside also helps with like the demeanor with it when it comes to recovery. I think it helps with their recovery, also like the mental aspect. So, of
Yeah, it's always nice to get out and get some fresh air.
course, always. Well, even though we haven't had much the past couple weeks, but it's been fine.
Yeah. How are you helping athletes prepare for spring sports?
Just being there for them, I guess, being like their bigger supporter, both, you know, off the field and on the field. Being there just to, give them support, whether it be tape or rap, but also give them support as like one of their biggest fans, when it comes to game times and stuff. So
Yeah. What are some common injuries that come with spring sports?
I would say one of the most common ones is medial tibial stress syndrome, or shin splints. That's probably the one I've had to deal with the most. You get your occasional hamstring strain, since we have track, and then also women's soccer, and then baseball, and then also turf burn because of the turf, that we're on. So I would say those are probably the most common ones I've had to deal with.
What advice can you give athletes that are planning on playing spring sports?
First and foremost, stay hydrated. I remember being, a high school student. I know drinking water is not the biggest thing, you want to do, but you got to make sure you stay hydrated as an athlete. Also, you want to make sure that you're, stretching well. A lot of athletes don't stretch as much as they probably should.
Guilty.
Yeah, I was too. But sitting in school all day, sitting in a chair or a desk, and then trying to come out and just start sprinting doesn't usually end well. You have to make sure that, you stretch and warm up properly. I would also say to just, have fun, make the best of each opportunity that you get. So yeah, that would be my advice.
Being new to Harrisonville School District and Belton Regional Medical Center, what are you looking forward to the most?
Just being part of a organization that truly cares about each person that walks in the doors. Just, they care about patient outcome. Like successful patient outcome is the most important thing, and I think that's huge. And then being part of a school district where, the staff is kind and they support me and what I do, which I know that you may not see in a lot of places, for athletic trainers. But being able to be around staff and people that truly care about what I do and, my role and everything it helps out a lot. And it's something that I've enjoyed so far. So, yeah.
Good. Well, thank you so much for being here today and talking about spring sports. If anyone would like more information about our sports medicine program, please visit beltonregionalmedicalcenter.com/sportsmed. Thank you.